Hello, so I have made several things which has the same form factor as Arduino Mini and Pro. And the most different point is that all of my making has a small OLED display on it, in addition to the microcontrollers and the micro SD card and the USB interface. And this is the first one, which based on the 8MW184 with saying hello, it's Ultra. And the next one is based on the ARM architecture. It's a Atmel ARM architecture. I named it as Ultra Zero, as you see. And this time I made even more new one, which has a full color OLED display on it. In the case of a monochrome OLED display, I don't need to any voltage up converter because embedded up voltage up converter works well. Just put in some capacitor is enough. But in the case of a full color OLED display, I need to prepare the 12 volt, around more than 12 volt for the VCC, which is much higher than the 5 volt and 3.3 volt. So this time I put the small voltage up converter from 3.3 to 12 volt. And now it is working. Now I will show how it works. This board is based on the 8MW184. It's a AVR architectures. And at the same, I put the micro SD card and the USB interface on it. Just single board will be enough to make a lot of things. Now I will add, you see, it's a full color. You can see the Mount Fuji, and this is the Cathedral Montreal. I think now this board has more possibility to make a lot of wonderful things. For example, the image showing the processing, and also it has a bunch of I/O, so we can fully utilize a lot of things by adding some sensors and cameras and so on. Unfortunately, from my eyes, the image is much more beautiful than through the camera. But there is some scanning. I can see the scanning right. Have fun.